Hello everyone. I Bhagya NP, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In this class, we are going to solve some more problems about GCV and NCV on bomb calorimeter. So the first problem is to calculate GCV and NCV from the following data. All the data is given in the problem. So what are those data? Mass of the fuel is given, water equivalent of calorimeter is given, amount of water taken in the calorimeter value is also given, specific heat of water is given, a rise in temperature is clearly given as 3.2 degrees Celsius, percentage of water is given 2.5, latent heat of steam 2457 kilojoule per kg is also given. Then how to calculate GCV value? GCV is calculated by using this formula W1 plus W2 into delta T into S divided by M. Then what is W1? W1 is the amount of water taken in the calorimeter and W2 is water equivalent of calorimeter. Delta T is rise in temperature. S is specific heat of water. M is mass of the fuel. So now what we have to do is we have to substitute all the values in the given equation. So we are going to get like this. So on calculation, we are going to get GCV as 44,135.9 kilojoule per kg value. So from the GCV, we can able to calculate NCV and that can be done by using this equation. The equation is GCV minus 0.09 into percentage of hydrogen into latent heat of steam. So on substituting all the values, 0.09 is a constant, percentage of hydrogen is 2.5 into latent heat of steam is 2457. And on calculation, we are going to get NCV as 43,583.07 kilojoule per kg. So this is the answer for this problem. So now we shall move on to the next problem. So the next problem is on burning 0.96 into 10 to the power of minus 3 of a solid fuel in a bomb calorimeter, the temperature of 3.5 kg of water was raised by 2.7 degrees Celsius. Water equivalent of calorimeter and the latent heat are 0.385 kg and 2455 kilojoule per kg respectively. And the fuel containing 5% of hydrogen, and from each data we have to calculate GCV and NCV value. Then what is the equation? GCV. This is the equation for GCV. Then how to calculate? Just we have to substitute all the values in the given equation. All the values are directly given. There is no need of any conversion unit. So on calculation, we are going to get GCV as 45,749.51 kilojoule per kg. Then NCV can be calculated by using this formula. Then on substituting the values and on calculation, in this problem, we are going to get NCV as 44,643.35 kilojoule per kg. So in this way, we can solve this problem. So now we'll move on to the two more problems. So the next problem is, this is the one. So the problem is, this problem, mass of the fuel is given, that is 0.78, and percentage of hydrogen is also given, that is 1.9. Rise in temperature value is also given, 2.7, and the water equivalent of calorimeter is also given. And the specific heat and latent heat of water, the value, all the data is given in this problem. Then now we'll move on to the solving of this problem. So GCV equation is W1 plus W2 into delta T into S divided by M. Then on substitution, so W1 is water equivalent, what amount of water present in the sample. So that is 2.7 kg. W2 is water equivalent 1.2 into delta T is 2.5. We have to take the difference between these two temperature. Initial temperature is given, final temperature value is given, and AC specific heat of water. So divided by mass of fuel is 0.78 gram. So when we go for looking into this problem, so W1, W2 value is given in terms of kg, whereas mass of fuel is given in terms of gram. So in that case, we have to convert gram into kg, and that can be done by multiplying by 10 to the power of minus 3. So on calculation of this value, so we are going to get 337.5 kilojoule per kg as a GCV value. And from this, we can calculate NCV value. So since all the data is directly given, just what we have to do is we have to substitute the values and we have to go for doing the calculation. So finally, we are going to get NCV as 51,917.35 kilojoule per kg. So this is the answer for this problem. So the next problem is, here this is also similar type of problems. So you yourself do it. So calculate GCV and NCV. So mass of the fuel is 0.73 gram. Water equivalent of calorimeter is 470 gram. Amount of water taken in the calorimeter is 1500 gram. Specific heat of water is 4.187. Rising temperature is 2.3 degrees Celsius. Percentage of water is 2.5. Latent heat of steam is 587. So here is the problem solving. So GCV equation, substitute all the values, do calculation. NCV, same equation, substitute it and do the calculation. So in this way, we can calculate GCV and NCV value from the given data. So thank you. So this is about the some of the numericals about bomb calorimeter. Thank you. Thank you one and all.